It's time to jump in your car. Forget about work. Take a seat at the bar. Gonna laugh till it hurts. Whether out on your own or with someone you love, there's room for us all. Come join in the fun at the Knob Hill Tavern. Welcome to the Knob Hill Tavern, a place to clear your mind, to quench your thirst. At the Knob Hill Tavern, we make sure the customer always comes first. Can we start with a toast? A shot for good luck, 'cause the jukebox knows all the tunes that we love. So let's play a song we all want to hear.